Hey guys, this is the YOUKAIN ceiling fan. I'm going to be replacing this old, ugly ceiling fan with this much better, modern. This is like a compact one. It's going to be a little bit smaller, but it looks good. It only has 3 blades on it, and it's an 18-watt fan, so it's a lot more efficient. But, I mean, there's a whole bunch of features. We'll go over them, but first, I got to get this old one out of here and get this new one installed. All right, guys, there it is. I will warn you, the install, while it is pretty straightforward, in fact, there's a really good video online showing you exactly step-by-step that they produced. I didn't even use the directions. I just followed the video, and it's only like a 3-minute long video, but it shows each step of the process really well. So they do send this extra stem along, so the wiring can reach the whole way through if you want to hang your fan a lot lower. I wanted mine up closer, so I didn't use it, but the wiring is all long enough to fit through this. So when it comes to getting all the wires up there, it is a tight fit because you have a lot of extra wires and everything fits real nice and close together up there. So I'll just warn you, it takes a little bit of messing around, moving wires, you know, you don't have a lot of space to work. So I'll just give you a heads up, take your time, be patient, work the wires around, get everything to fit nice, then you can get it up all clipped in nice. So, but it looks really good. I like how compact it is. You get these 3, these remind me more of like a plant leaf than like your traditional flat blade. So I feel like they look really nice and it's nice and compact. Let me turn it on here for you. So there is one of the light colors. You can change this. So this is like a 2700 K color temperature, like that warm yellow. This would be like your 4K. And this is like a 5000 K. So this is like that bright blue. So I like this color the most. And let's see, you can change the brightness of it on the remote here with just the dimmer switch to make it nice and dim if you prefer it like that, and turn it up. So you can also, whatever you leave it on, when you flip your switch off and turn it back on, it'll go right to that. So even if you have your fan on at a certain speed, when you flip your switch back on, it goes right back to that, which is really nice. There's also a 1-hour and a 4-hour timer. So say you want to turn the fan on, you can set the timer so it'll automatically shut off in 1 hour or 4 hours, which is nice. There's a sound button, so you can turn so it doesn't beep every time you press it. I kind of like the beeping because you know that it picked up your signal, that it's received it. There's also a direction button here. So if I just hit the direction button, it's going to slow down, stop, and then change directions. All right, there it goes, the other direction. And it moves, so this is the lowest fan speed here, and it moves some air, and there's 6 speeds. I'll turn this thing up the whole way. I mean, it's blowing stuff around on the floor here, but this thing can, this little fan moves a lot of air, and it looks really good. So really happy with this fan. Most of your features are on the remote, but whatever you store into it, you can save it just using your switch. So they also send, let's see, a little stand along here to mount on your wall if you want to mount your remote in that, so you don't lose that. So that's nice. But overall, yeah, great fan. Looks really nice. Seems like really good quality, and you get all these features with the remote, which is really nice. So if you're looking for a new ceiling fan, the YOUKAIN white fan that I have here, I think is a great option.